Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Gearwrench, a 5-piece SAE combination ratcheting wrench set, and we do have the metric here. So these are on sale Costco for 14 bucks, regular price $17.99 I believe. So they're on sale for $14.99. I don't know how long that sale is gonna be up to, but I did post it on the community tab on here on Facebook. So definitely let you guys know that this deal was going on. But yeah, this is the Gearwrench 5-piece ratcheting wrenches, as you guys see there. It's a 72 tooth, 5-degree move fasteners. It says off corner loading, reduces fastener rounding. It says lifetime guarantee. You got let's see here from the frame. Got Gearwrench 5 pieces combination wrench set. Item number 93005. So yeah, like I said, these are pretty much on sale at Costco. If you don't have a Costco membership, make sure you guys stick up with a friend or something. You got professional full polish chrome. You got off corner loading, reduces fastener rounding. Made in China. So imported or managed by Apex Tool Group LLC. If you guys don't know that, Gearwrench is owned or managed by Apex Tool. You got contents 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 or half, 9/16, 5/8. That's pretty much for this one. And then this is the metric. Obviously it says metric right here on the top. Let's see here. So same thing pretty much. It says made in China by Apex Group, Tool Group. You got 10mm, 12mm, 13mm, 14mm, and 15. So all the way from 10 to 15. I think it's a fairly decent kit, especially for the price. So these are mostly your common used. Alright, let's take them apart. Let's take them apart and see what this is, what this has. So alright, pretty simple. You guys know how hard to take these things apart. It's really hard. So this is a really nice tool here. Oh, almost got the. Alright. Alright. So we got 10, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Total of 5 pieces. So let's take a quick look here. It says Gearwrench here on the side, or on the side it says 15mm. I mean, these are not your, look at, they're scratched. You got some more scratches here. Says, yeah, they're kind of scratched. They're a little bit scratched. They're still a nice finish. Let's hear this one. Let's see it. This one seems to be pretty nice. I don't see any obvious scratches. Definitely a little tighter. Squeeze this and take it out. Pretty simple. So the few scratches on this one at the end, open end, and nothing that I could see here. So all it is just a few scratches. You got some a nice finish. I like the sound of that. Sounds pretty good. So let's open these up and see if there's anything on. I like the sound of that. Sound pretty nice. You got Gearwrench there. Yeah, I don't think these are the highest quality that they make. Obviously the letters are not that clear. They're not perfectly etched. They are nice, but they're not perfectly etched. You can see the... So I would say this is like the lower grade or the home grade wrenches. Yeah, same thing with that. You can see the... I don't know if you guys could see that. Alright, I got my Harbor Freights here. These are Pittsburgh 7-piece ratcheting combo wrench sets. This one does include an 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 17. And we'll compare it. So on these, I've used them a few times. I do oil changes and brake jobs and stuff like that. So I've used them. Sometimes I clean them. They're a little greasy. Alright, so we got the Pittsburgh 15mm. And then we have the Gearwrench 15mm. Obviously, if you clean this, I would say that this is much nicer finish. As you guys see there, it's a lot nicer finish. You guys could see the chrome and the lettering. Check out the lettering. It's a lot nicer than the Gearwrench. And the chrome's a little bit brighter, a little shinier. The inside wheel seems to be fine. It doesn't seem to have the ends. You got a few lines there. On this one, nothing major. Got a few lines there too. So let's see how this one sounds. This is the Gearwrench. Has a little play there. Could be normal. Let's see this one. No play whatsoever. See, that's one thing I noticed about the Pittsburgh. No play whatsoever on these. Check out the sound of that. This is like you got much beefier. I'm gonna see if it says the tooth on these. It doesn't say the tooth. Yeah, it doesn't say the tooth on the package. But check out how that sounds. Yeah, these I can feel that these are a little loose. Let's hear that. And these are solid as a rock. Just the tiny bits of movement. Alright, so compared, let's see at the thickness here. We're at 0.41. We're at the thickness here at the box end, 0.41. So basically about the same. It could be in the same factory too. Let's see here. Look very similar. Yeah, these are a little different here. Long wise, they're the same length. Maybe the Gearwrench a little longer. Let's test how big the opening is. Alright, we'll try to hold it straight. So about 0.606. I mean 0.6. And then for the Gearwrench, about 0.6. So about the same. They're pretty accurate. So overall, what do I think about these Gearwrench? I'm gonna set this aside here, the Pittsburgh. So overall, what do I think about this Gearwrench? I think it's a great value for your money, especially at that price, either 15 or 18 bucks. It's a great value. Definitely for the DIY. I would think this is mostly inclined for the DIY. Like I said, on this one you do have a lot of scratches there, and then the movement on this, it's a little rough, a little loose here. let me check out another one here. Yeah, this one seems to be a little bit more solid. You know, guys, this one seems to be a little bit more solid. Yeah, they're all more solid. I don't know why that one is not. That could be made in a separate foundry, or just a defected tool. Yeah, this one's loose too. Seems like the bigger sizes are the ones that are loose. Yeah, this one's a little loose, but it's fairly tight. So yeah, well guys, that's it for my video. Just wanted to show you guys the Gearwrench set from Costco. They got awesome deals. Pretty good on price. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make material review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.